Hi, my name is Makana. Welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Today we're going to show you how to operate a Prusa 3D printer. First, you want to go onto the computer and upload your STL file. This can be done through Google Drive or a flash drive. Next, you want to open a new window of Prusa Slicer. Once the window is open, insert or drag and drop your STL into the window. With your file placed, you can mess with the print settings and change it to whatever you desire. Once the settings are complete, you can slice your file by hitting Slice Now on the bottom right-hand corner. This will give you a preview of how your print will look. Next, we're going to go to the printer and grab the SD card from the left-hand side and grab an adapter, plug these two together, and plug it into the computer tower. With the SD card uploaded, you can hit Export G-code and select the SD card. It should be named Prusa and the model number. An eject button should pop up. Please select this. And now moving back to the computer tower, remove your SD card and plug it back into the printer. A list of files will show up. Your file should be the top one. Select the file, and the printer will start to heat up and do its calibration. As a rule of the lab, please stay for the first layer. If for any reason you need to pause or stop the print, all you need to do is hit the knob and scroll to pause or stop print. Please do not hit the X. This will restart the printer.